Hey there, savvy shoppers and credit card enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your financial life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your Woolworths credit card for 2025. With new features and enhanced security, getting your card up and running is quicker than ever. Whether you're a first-time user or upgrading your account, this step-by-step guide will have you swiping in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Woolworths credit card handy, along with any activation codes or details from your welcome email. These are usually sent when you apply, so double-check your inbox or spam folder. Once you're ready, head over to the Woolworths website or open their mobile app. It's optimized for 2025, so expect a sleek, user-friendly interface. Step 1. Log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it using your personal details like your email and the card number. Don't worry if you're new, this process is designed to be intuitive. Next, navigate to the Card Services or Activation section. You'll likely see a prompt asking for your card details, so enter the 16-digit number and any security code provided. Now, for Step 2. Verify your identity. This is crucial for security in 2025. So be prepared to answer a few questions or receive a one-time PIN via text or email. Once verified, hit the Activate Now button. You'll get a confirmation message on screen and possibly via email. Keep that for your records. A quick tip: if you're activating via the app, enable notifications for real-time updates on your card status. Finally, test your card with a small purchase, like grabbing your favorite coffee at Woolworths, to ensure everything's working smoothly. And there you have it. Your Woolworths credit card is now active and ready for 2025's best deals. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support, they're always helpful. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below with your experiences. See you in the next one.